Hi everyone, in today's video we will explain the features of a report portal. First of all, to log in report portal, you will need your username and the password. The username will be your client ID and the password will be your PAN card number in capital letters. So I am mentioning my user ID, then I will mention the password. Now click on the login button. An OTP will be received on your registered mobile number and your email ID also. I have got the OTP. I am mentioning that. Then click on this login button. Once the details are loaded, you will be logged in our report portal. This is the dashboard of report portal. The biggest benefit of report portal is that all the main features are available on the dashboard window. So let's move on to the first tab, which is financial balance. Here you will see your closing balance, and by clicking on the financial ledger button, you will be able to see the ledger details. The next option is pledge security value. Here the collateral value of the pledged shares and your holdings will be shown, and by clicking on the view tab you will be able to see the script wise value as well. Here as you can see, script wise value is showing. Now let's see the third option, open position. This window allows you to view your open positions in the derivative segment. The date selection option is also available here. Then the fourth option is margin window. Here you can see the margin being used against your open positions. By clicking on this view button, you can get brief details. Here as you can see, this is the example. And in the bottom side, you will get to see your peak margin and short margin details also, as you can see. Now the last option is day turnover. Here you can view your turnover of a particular day. By clicking on this trade confirmation button, you can get a detailed view also. Now I am closing this window. And one more thing, you can view and download all these important details in PDF and Excel format with the option available on the upper right hand side on each window. And the features that I mentioned in the dashboard, these are available on the left side. You can check from there also. Now let's move on. On the right side, there are some important features. As you can see, the first one is contract note. By clicking on this button, you can view and download your contract note. Then the next option is fund payout request. To submit a payout request, click here. There are two segments available, capital and commodity. You will have to choose your segment. Then you will have to choose your bank detail. Then mention the amount that you want to withdraw and click on this send button. And if you want to check the status of your request, so just go to the left side of the window. Here you will get an option of view request. Then click on the first button, payment request list. In this window, your payout request will be shown. So from here you can check that. Now again come back to the dashboard. Now the next option is margin pledge. I am clicking on this button. So if you want to pledge your shares, just come to this window and click on the process tab next to the shares you want to pledge. After that, a transaction ID will be generated. That means your request has been submitted for the pledging. Here is an important note. Please submit your share pledge request before 5 PM if you want to take the benefit of the collateral from the next day. And after 5 PM, you will get a mandate on your SMS and your registered email. You will have to approve that before 7 PM. After that, you will start receiving your collateral benefits from the next day. But if you submit the pledge request after 5 PM, so it will be processed next day, and the collateral benefits will be received by you on the day after tomorrow. Now let's see, if you want to unpledge your shares, how you will do that. First of all, you will have to click on this margin unpledge button. A new window will be opened. Here you will have to click on the process button right next to the share that you want to unpledge. Then a transaction ID will be generated which indicates that the request of unpledging has been received. That concludes our demo of report portal. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you.